Well, this morning we're going to get go up there and get Donald's drum mower that he hauled up here, and carry it down here, put it in the shop, and check it out good, and see what we're going to need to do, and go ahead and get started working on it. So I'll take you along with me. Well, I believe that's going to work out good. We'll carry her down there and get it set in. Yeah, I believe we need to open both doors to make it easier. Right here you can see this belt tensioner set up. It's hinged, and that bracket right there where the pin goes through, that should attach it to the mower frame right in here, it's broke, and let it pull forward, which got the belts, the pulley out of alignment, and the belts won't stay on, so we'll get that pulled back or pushed back straight with a porta power or something and welded back in. And I think that's the only major issue we have. We'll work on this guard a little bit. It's the belt cover. We'll straighten it up and stuff. Got a couple holes right here that is tore out. We'll just weld us a washer back on there and straighten up underneath it. Roll it up and straighten some of the skids on it a little bit. And I found a stand. It didn't come with a stand, but I found a stand I had and put in it. Instead of making him one, I might just let him have that, because it works out pretty good, about perfect for him. But we'll just kind of look it over and grease it and see if everything works good, and hook it up to the tractor one day and try it out. That pulley's fouled over here against this bracket for the guard, and one of the guards tore off. Ain't no wonder the guard was tore off. Get that. Center as long as stuck. 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 Needs to go just a little bit smoother. Alright, what we did here to get that pulled around, hooked it to a chain and a ratchet binder and got it pulled back in place. What I'm going to do now is take the torch and burn off the grease and the grease and the paint and stuff around here where that bracket's welded on. Get that cleaned up real good, and then we'll take the welder and tack it in place, take our chains off, and then weld it up. Remember when you're turning on your tanks for your torches, turn your acetylene on a turn and a half and the oxygen on all the way. The reason you do a turn and a half on the acetylene is that way if you have a fire, one pretty good turn of the wrist, you've got your acetylene turned off. With the tips dirty. Okay. At least we'll try to come up with something to reinforce it.